where Frob, Jasper, and Daniel are at. Hello there, everybody. It's us, Frob and Jasper, along with Daniel. We're here to make two major announcements. The first announcement is that it's my birthday! Yay! The other announcement is kind of an announcement, but we'll explain it anyways. And that is that you're probably wondering what Bagi the Monster of My Nature is, since Weird Guy has never mentioned it on his channel before. It's a 1984 film created by Osamu Tezuka. The film was made as a ridicule of DNA recombination which was going on at the time. DNA recombination is when you combine two or more different types of animal DNA together. As for the story itself, it's pretty all over the place. However, we'll try and explain it as clear as possible. A mountain lion cub named Bagi manages to escape a laboratory after 14 other experimented animals were killed by the scientists. She then meets a young boy named Rio. However, after his family found her suspicious, she had to leave. 9 years later, and Rio is part of a biker gang. They come across a mysterious woman who reveals to be a cat-like creature and attacks them, only sparing Rio in the process. They then head to the area where the creature lives, only to get attacked again by the creature. After Rio flees the area out of fear, the creature, who is actually Bagi, shows up to Rio's house. After a brief discussion with her and Rio, they then head out some areas and eventually make it to the laboratory where Bagi came from. After exploring through the lab, they eventually make it to the chief, who explains to them that Bagi was in fact an escaped lab animal, which freaks Bagi out. They then head to South America, where Rio's mom is. After Bagi escapes the other laboratory, Rio finds his mom dead on the floor. Rio assumes then that Bagi was responsible for her death and seeks vengeance on her. 5 years later, Rio finds Bagi and eventually defeats her. But after reading a note by his mom, he realizes that Bagi was not responsible for her death. Bagi also had lost her intelligence, so she couldn't speak to Rio. Later on, Rio sees some paw prints leading to some mountains, and he says it's for the best. And that, folks, was Bagi the Monster of My Nature 1. And it is one hell of a ride.